Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we are going to discuss it is the oxyacids of the phosphorus. As earlier we have already learned about the oxyacids of the nitrogen, in which we have learned the nitric acid that was HNO3 and the acid was HNO2. It was the nitrous acid. Likewise, here we will learn about the oxyacids of the phosphorus. In the oxidation of the phosphorus will have the acid with the addition of the oxygen and with the addition of the hydrogen. So, when we talk about the oxyacids of phosphorus, basically there are two oxyacids. The first one is H3PO3, which is called as the phosphorus acid. And after this, we have its second type of the acid, which is its orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid, and the formula for the orthophosphoric acid we have is H3PO4. The difference is just in the oxygen. The phosphorus acid contains three oxygen atoms, while on the other hand, the phosphoric acid contains the four oxygen atoms in its structure. After this, we will learn about its preparation, that how do we be able to prepare that phosphorus acid and orthophosphoric acid. The number one method for the preparation of the phosphorus acid here, it can be easily prepared by dissolving the phosphorus trioxide in cool water. So if we have phosphorus trioxide, this is the oxide of the phosphorus. While reacting it with the cool water, then the product we gain, it is called as the phosphorus acid. This is called as the phosphorus acid, and it is a very easy method by the use of which we can easily prepare this product. And here we have the second method for the preparation of the phosphorus acid is it can be easily obtained by the hydrolysis of the phosphorus trichloride. The hydra word is taken from the water, and the lysis mean the simple breakage. So the breakage of any compound in the presence of the water, it is known as the hydrolysis or the breaking of the water molecule. As we just have a look on the structure of the water, it contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atoms, and here it breaks and produces two types of ions, the hydrogen ion positive and hydroxyl ion. This is a simple lysis of or the breakage of the water molecule or the bond between these two ions. And when we add up this into the phosphorus trichloride, this is known as the halide of phosphorus, and its name is phosphorus trichloride. On reacting with the water or the hydrolysis with the water, it produces the phosphorus acid, while along with the production of the hydrochloric acid, which is HCl, it is an aqueous solution formed as a result of this process. So these two methods can be used for its preparation. After this, we have here the preparation of the orthophosphoric acid, that how we can prepare that acid. We have basically three main methods for its preparation. The first one method, it is prepared by dissolving phosphorus pentoxide in the hot water. So here we have the phosphorus pentoxide, which is the oxide of phosphorus. While reacting with the water molecule, it produces the orthophosphoric acid. This is also known as phosphoric acid. Its formula is H3PO4, in which the oxygen atoms are 4 in numbers. After this, we have the second method for the preparation of the orthophosphoric acid. It can also be obtained by heating red phosphorus. So here the phosphorus that we take, it is red in color, and in this the P4 molecules are attached and they are making a long chains. In this manner, while reacting with the concentrated nitric acid, which is HNO3, it is the oxyacid of nitrogen. It is oxyacid of nitrogen. It produces phosphoric acid, nitrogen dioxide gas that will be removed, and the water production as a liquid. After this, we have the third method for the preparation of the orthophosphoric acid. It is the hydrolysis of the phosphorus pentachloride. Likewise, it contains 5 chlorine atoms, and upon its hydrolysis with the water, it produces phosphoric acid as H3PO4. along with the production of the hydrochloric acid as HCl. So these are the three main methods for the preparation of the orthophosphoric acid. After this, we also have a fourth one method for its preparation. If we want to take or to prepare the phosphoric acid on large scale or in the industrial level, then it can be prepared by heating a mixture of phosphorite, which is called as the bone ash, and the sand in an electric furnace where the high electric charge is used. So here this is the mixture of phosphorite and the sand. This is the sand, SiO2, silicon dioxide, and this is called as the bone ash, which is the mixture of phosphorite. While we just heat it in an electric furnace, we gain the two products. The first one product here we have calcium silicate as CaSiO3 along with the production of the phosphorus pentoxide. While this phosphorus pentoxide on reacting with the water, it produces the meta orthophosphoric acid. This is the phosphoric acid and it can be prepared on large scale by the use of this method. While for the production on the small scale, we have learned previous 1 to 3 methods, but the fourth one will be used at industrial level for its production. And this is a two-step method in which in the first step we have to produce a phosphorus pentoxide and next in the second step that phosphorus pentoxide will react with the water and produces the phosphoric acid. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand. And if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss it is the properties of oxyacids of phosphorus. Well, we will discuss its chemical properties as well as its physical properties in detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.